PITA Stock Analysis Wednesday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Heramba Electric, Heramba, what the hell? I'm butchering up the name, but whatever. I have not made videos on this thing previously, but from a first glance, what I saw is a clean bearish trend. Clean one. This is a clean one. We're all coming down from here. You know, boom, that's the supply zone. So just gonna mark it out. If the price here gives me this double break, then I'm looking forward to taking it lower. If not, you know, so be it. I'm not gonna try and run after the trade, or just if it really wants to continue to go up, it's not gonna give me the rules. I mean, you can even give me the rules and I could be wrong, you know, so that's why it's trading. It's we have a risk incurred. So I'm waiting for the rules to be met. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.